Namaste. Today I'm going to talk about matchmaking. There is a big problem in matchmaking because many people come back and say to me, we have matched the horoscope with some other astrologer. It turned out to be the marriage has been pretty disastrous. Why is the reason? The main problem with the matchmaking is people use nakshatra kutas because it is very fast, easy, and you can predict the the results within just 1 minute. There are variety of softwares which are available online itself where you put the two nakshatras and it will give you the value or the results of it as a person. Now this is a faulty approach. That is one of the main reason why people have problem with the horoscope. For example, you have Venus, Mars, Rahu combined together. No matter which nakshatra kuta you use, you are going to have marriage problem. Unless and until you see the horoscope and you have a comprehensive analysis of the bride and the bridegroom horoscope, this is going to be very, very difficult. The second problem with the entire nakshatra kutas is it is so fast, and even a person without a much knowledge of astrology can do that. But if you are going to take the Rasi chart and analyze it, you need an in-depth understanding of astrology. You need to look at it in a variety of fashion, variety of angles before you pronounce the result of it. It might take, let's say, more than 10 to 20 minutes across. So these are the problem with the nakshatra kutas. So the speed, the timing in which you tell is just 1 minute, less than a minute. Whereas if you're going to take the horoscope, it is going to take more than 10 or 20 minutes. The second thing is, in nakshatra kutas you cannot tell the exact details of the horoscope. For example, whether the person will have a happy married life, whether the person can be very angry in the communication, whether the person will be helpful, and for example, will he get along with the father and mother-in-law, like that. There are variety of parameters by which people ask the question, which include the birth of the child. Whereas if you take the horoscope and analyze it across, you will be able to come to a conclusion about what kind of person he is, the character, the events, whether the marriage will happen, whether the childbirth will happen. All those things you can elaborate in detail as a person. The third most important thing is, in nakshatra kuta you have a problem because every day people are born in the same nakshatra. Today, for example, is Mula nakshatra, so therefore everyone who is born in this Mula nakshatra does not have the same destiny. It depends on the lagna, it depends on the alignment of the planet, it depends on the various amsa lagna which is available across the person. So it is very important that you understand this particular process and you try to match the horoscope. In matching the lagna, the karakas of the planets are very important, and it will vary for every hour to hour. So you are going to have a lot of difficulty in terms of matching. You need to take time, you need to go through the variety of factors and do it across. The other one is the Kerala's famous technique is there, where they call it as Dasa Purutam. If somebody is having the same Dasha, they try to avoid it. Now this is correct, but if the Dasha Bhukti, both of them have a 6, 8, 12 Dasha Bhukti, then it is better to avoid the Dasha. But if both of you are having not the 6, 8, 12, but then the 1, 5, 9 Dasha Bhukti, then it will become very, very complementary to each other and they can grow up as a person. So these kind of contradictions conditions are there which require a lot of experience and understanding with regard to the matchmaking. In our case, we do the matchmaking. What we do is we ask them to send the birth details, we charge, and once they send the money across, we do the Nakshatra Kuta matching and then we give it to them. We have a second level of matching in case the boy and the girl is interested and they have a variety of questions to ask. Then we go into the second level of matching where we give them the details, the character, the approach, how the person is going to be, all that we would be giving that across. So this will help them to make a firm and a final decision across as a person. That is why in my experience for a number of years I have matched the horoscope, and many of them have come back and told me that they have had a happy married life across and that they do not have a major problem in their life. The main problem is the matchmaking will take time and you need to do it with a service attitude, because the reading is more expensive rather than the matching. Matching, people pay peanuts because they feel that it doesn't require so much of time. No, matching requires a lot of time and a lot of effort is required in matchmaking. And the second thing is we send it in the WhatsApp, we give the conclusion very clearly, we tell whether the birth of the child will happen or not. Now many people have a problem with the birth of the child in these modern days because many of them do not get their proper period, they have a problem with their sexual organs. All that thing can be seen and easily reflected in the horoscope. So we do tell it to the people whether you are supposed to whether they can conceive. The second thing is whether the happy married life will be there. This is the initial part of the matching, we tell it to the people. The second part of the matching that we take it across is whether the person's character, whether he'll be get along very well, whether the person will have a good career, whether the person will make a lot of money. All those comprehensive detail will be discussed across. There are two varying charges. One level of varying charges is the basic vanilla package. The other level of matchmaking is the advanced package where we try to take all the details and we give it to the person. Normally we tell the clients, please don't bring the horoscope where there is Venus Mars Rahu or Venus Mars is there in the same Rasi chart. For example, today morning I got one Rasi chart where the Lagna is that of the Dhanush and Venus Mars in the 12th house. I simply told them that please do not take the horoscope which has Venus Mars combined together in the same chart, in the same Rasi. So this will help you to eliminate a lot. The other problem with many people is that many people do get carried away by the looks and by the beauty and they brush aside the horoscope. They say all these things will not work. Let me give you a very good example of a lady who came to my student and who checked the matchmaking, and it turned out to be that the matching was not correct. Then afterwards what happened, they went across and they simply satisfied themselves with few astrologers who for the sake of money did not ask them answer them questions honestly, and they went ahead and they got married, and it turned out to be a disaster in the first thing of marriage, and the people have to get divorced across. So it is a very painful decision. So don't try to convince yourself that if you take it to 4-5 astrologers it will become okay. The second point is, there was a lady who came to me and she said my sister is having marriage problem. Now that man was already married and then he got married to his sister, and now he wants to leave the sister after 10-15 years of marriage, and she was very upset about the entire thing. I told her, madam, you'll have to do the remarriage, and the second thing, the matching has not been very good, and she could not take it because she expected astrologers to mime exactly what she has in her mind across. We don't do it here. We tell you the truth. We tell you the absolute truth without a compromise, and we are also not very bizarre in our way of matchmaking. I have published a book on matchmaking which you can use it across and which is available in the Amazon, for which the description box is given below. You can use that book and read it, because we don't have time to take the workshop and we are not interested because the work itself is so big. So please understand that this matching you will take time, and it is not an easy one. You are helping somebody's life to decide. So therefore, please do take time to match the horoscope and give yourself. Now, do not try to learn astrology using your children's horoscope. You will have a lot of difficulty and problem with related with that. And also please understand, you might have to do some remedial measure. It is like the horoscope is average, but when you do remedial measure, it becomes better. So when you accept that angle, that certain horoscopes can be mended and bended using remedial measure, so you can definitely use the horoscope as a person. Therefore, please understand that this is a very, very positive and a proper approach towards a matchmaking across, which many people don't understand across as a person. Therefore, I request you to take time and see the good astrologers and match yourself across. Thank you. Cut பண்ணு.